Hey, what's up everyone? This is Jason at Canyon Adventure Vans. Today I'm going to show you a new product that we carry, and it is for the 2021 and 2022 Winnebago Revels. As you know, the stock table that comes in here, it's kind of bulky and big, so we already sell a tabletop replacement top here. We have a new one coming out as well that's going to flip, but we have those replacement tops, and then now the next thing that we're going to be offering is an adjustable table system here, so you can adjust the height. A lot of people will tell me when they're sitting in the driver's seat, when they spin it around, that this table's too high for them. So now we're able to adjust that and bring it as low as possible, as high as possible. So to do that, it's really simple. There's, if you can see this little pull-out tab right here, this little handle. All you do is pull that out, and then you can push the table down, and there's 5 different settings. So to raise it back up, all you would do is kind of just raise it like that to the height that you want it. You can go as high as you want and as low as you want on that. So really nice system. To set up, all you have to do is unscrew your the bracket that you already have on the Revel. You're going to take that base out. We're going to give you a new one. It goes back in the same exact holes, and then you'll screw this adjustable pull right back into there. And then you're going to use your same base that's underneath your table right now, regardless if it's a replacement table that we provided you or it's the OEM stock Revel table. You're just going to take that base and slide it back over. So you'll get this pull here, the adjustable pull, and the new base, and then you're going to reuse the base bracket that's on the bottom of your table, and then it just slides right over. So really nice system, totally adjustable. It also eliminates a lot of the squeaks and rattles and stuff like that that you get with the other table. But we like it. This is brand new. It'll be up on the website today. And that's it. It's all marine grade product, so it's going to last as long as your van, that's for sure. Have a great day.